Hi, what if I tell you that starting from 2025, you could be banned from running your own company just because of your ID or your passport? Yes, there's a new law coming up that will affect every single UK company, directors and PSCs. So if you miss, you could be fined, you could be blocked, or worse, you can be banned from starting your own company. In this video, we will discuss what these changes are and how should you incorporate that into your business. I'm Rashid, a qualified accountant, and today we will discuss the changes that Companies House is bringing in that could affect your company, and worse, it could shut your company down if you miss these changes or the deadlines. Now, as a part of the Economic Crime and Corporate Transparency Act 2023, it's just not a legal serve. This is identity verification of the company directors, PSCs and agents, and it's going to be mandatory. It's not optional. So each company director, PSC, has to verify their identity. Now we'll go into details of this one. As we've just discussed that starting from autumn 2025, identity verification is becoming a law, and each company director, PSC and anyone filing on behalf of the company must provide their identity. Otherwise, their filing will be rejected. They will not be allowed to do it. And this thing is not an optional, it's mandatory. Please do not ignore it. So what happens if you ignore it? If your identity documents are not verified, you won't be able to file your confirmation statements, and then non-filing of confirmation statement means you can face fines, you can even get your company struck off from the register, and you may even commit some criminal offense. And worse, you won't be allowed to start a new company. Now, how to verify your ID? You've got three options or three routes. Number one, which is very easy, you can go online, you can create your login, provide your passport or driving license details, and your ID will be verified online by the government portal. Second option is you can provide your IDs to a local post office that is authorized by the government, and then your IDs will be verified by the local postmaster over there. Third is your IDs can be verified through an accountant or a solicitor who's working on your behalf, and this is called Authorized Corporate Service Provider, ACSP. So these are the three ways you can get your IDs verified. Please remember, any new company that is incorporating, their IDs must be verified before the company is incorporated. In case of existing companies, you've got time to do it, but it's better to do it sooner than later. Now, coming back to the point, once you are verified, Companies House gives you a personal code. Think of it as a digital ID, your permanent key for running business in the UK. But before you jump into the verification, do these quick checks. Number one, make sure your date of birth and personal details match Companies House. Fix anything that's outdated or incorrect. That means if your ID document is expired, make sure you've got the new one and details on that are correct. That includes your address and date of birth, most importantly. Some of the updates can be done online, others may need paper form of verification. Now, if you have got multiple companies, you may need to do it for each company separately. Now, nutshell, please verify your identity, get your code and stay ahead of the deadline. It's not about ticking a box. If you got any questions about verifying through your accountants or ACSP, drop them a line, get in touch with them, do it ASAP. For any additional information or query, you've got our contact details. You can contact us anytime. Thank you.